this video, we're going to review how to set up your SKYVIEW 2 Pro. When your lamp arrives, it'll be in this box, so we'll go ahead and open it up. The first thing you're going to take out is your SKYVIEW 2 Pro base. We have our power cable. Next is our light engine. So what we're going to do is attach the bottom of the light engine to the top of your SKYVIEW 2 Pro base. So you'll see that they align pretty straightforward. All you're going to do is push it right down. You'll hear that click, and that's how you know that it's in correctly. And the last part of the assembly is that beautiful globe. So there's a nice hole right at the base of your globe. All we're going to do is insert the globe on top of the light engine. You'll make sure it's aligned there at the bottom. And then you just start twisting clockwise. That is going to secure the globe to the base. All right, so it'll stop when it's done. Last step is to just connect power. So at the base, underneath, you'll see that plug, and then connect it to power. So that lamp will go straight into pairing mode. So pairing mode is when the bottom of the globe is flashing red. So this would be the time that you could take out your mobile device, download the SKYVIEW app, and there will be instructions on pairing the two together. They'll be synced within a minute, and then your lamp will be ready to use.